Hi, this is Anita Bhargav, and I actually have no presentation that I can share with you. My talk is going to be very, very brief, but I'm going to, in a couple of minutes, tell you what I would do and how would I serve the country if I was the Prime Minister of India. For that matter, if I was a Chief Minister of a state, I would also do the same. So I think for any prime minister, and I would be the same, I would have certain missions that were of national importance to me. One of them, of course, would be jobs for all. The other would be financial inclusion, where the people of my country get access to goods and services, to financial products that are available to the middle class and the rich. Um, one of the missions would be sanitation, clean air, malnourishment. So there'd be a bunch of these. Let's say I have 10 of these missions. Now, how would I deliver? As you all know, we have ministries, government departments, all of whom have been working on these things, but we've not yet had spectacular results in all these spaces. In fact, we've been struggling. So what would be different if I was the Prime Minister? I would let the current ministries and departments continue business as usual. What I would do for these missions is I would get single point a single person responsible for each of these, and their goals would be measurable, time bound, and real outcomes. So I will not measure them on processes, but on outcomes. So for example, for sanitation, there would be sanitation scorecards, and it'll really be a hire and fire policy because I need these outcomes. I have to get these outcomes delivered. It's important for the nation, and time is of essence. Now, where would these people come from? So currently you have a lot of Indians who've done amazing things all over the world. They have made a lot of money. They have created a great name for themselves. And most importantly, they have done amazing things. They've produced outcomes which have been showcase worthy. So if I, as the Prime Minister, wrote to them and said, your country needs you, and this is what I would like you to work on, and you have my ear, and together we will make it happen, I think I can convince a lot of people to come back to serve their nation for something that's really important to over 1 billion people. Now, some of you could probably ask the question, how can a single person produce great results? I think a lot of the most amazing things have been done by small teams, and small teams can produce amazing results because they can figure how India can become an enabling country, how we can have an enabling environment to provide, existing companies and stuff a base to produce those outcomes. So, you can have the companies like Nestle who've done some amazing stuff in Africa, addressing malnourishment. I mean, there's so many solutions. The problem so far is that we aren't literally trying to see why they're not coming. We're not trying to get the regulators, the bureaucracy, the judiciary all together to see how these missions can be addressed, because we have to have this happen. And I think if I'm the Prime Minister, that'll be my complete focus. That's it for now.